Trucks are supposed to be strong, reliable, and built to last. But here's the truth, not every truck actually lives up to that promise. Some come with hidden problems, sky-high repair costs, and constant breakdowns that can turn your dream truck into a nightmare. This year, even some of the most popular models are making headlines for all the wrong reasons. From sudden engine failures to glitchy electronics, these trucks may look tough on the outside, but owning them could drain your wallet and your patience. So in this video, we're counting down the 7 trucks you'll definitely want to avoid this year. And trust me, a few names on this list might surprise you, even from brands you thought you could trust. Let's get started. Number 1. Ford F-150 Hybrid. The Ford F-150 is America's best-selling truck, no doubt about that, but the hybrid version, that's a different story. On paper, it looks amazing. Strong engine, good towing power, better fuel economy. Sounds perfect, right? But in real life, the F-150 Hybrid has been a headache for many owners. Reports show issues with the hybrid battery, random engine shutdowns, weird warning lights, and even transmission problems. And here's the catch, hybrids are complicated. When something breaks, repairs cost way more than a regular gas truck. Imagine buying a truck for work, road trips, or family, and then spending weeks at the repair shop. That's not the reliability you expect from an F-150. Consumer Reports and other studies have already rated the hybrid below average in reliability, and that's a big red flag if you're planning to buy in 2025. So here's the bottom line. The regular F-150 might still be a safe bet, but the hybrid version, too risky. If you want peace of mind, skip the Ford F-150 Hybrid and check out more dependable options instead. Number 2. Hyundai Santa Cruz. The Hyundai Santa Cruz made waves when it launched. A small, stylish pickup that's easy to drive and full of features. Sounds great, right? But in 2025, it's not the best choice. Here's the problem. The Santa Cruz looks like a truck, but it's built more like a car. That means weak towing power and limited payload capacity. Owners have also reported serious issues, especially with the dual-clutch transmission, rough shifting, hesitation, and even full transmission failures in some cases. Reliability is another red flag. Many drivers complain about engine noise, electrical glitches, and suspension problems. On top of that, the truck bed is smaller than most competitors, so hauling big loads becomes a challenge. So yes, it's fun to drive in the city. Yes, it has cool tech. But when you buy a truck, you expect dependability and strength, and that's where the Santa Cruz falls short. Bottom line, in 2025, avoid the Hyundai Santa Cruz if you want a reliable pickup. Look for proven models that won't let you down. Number 3. Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 is known for its smooth ride, luxury interiors, and strong V8 engine options. At first glance, it feels like the perfect mix of power and comfort. But reliability, that's where the problems begin. Owners have reported recurring issues with the Ram 1500's air suspension system, which is not only unreliable, but also very expensive to fix. Transmission troubles are another big complaint, with rough shifting and unexpected failures popping up in recent models. And then there's fuel economy. Compared to competitors like Ford and Chevy, the Ram 1500 tends to be thirstier at the pump, especially with the larger engines. Add rising gas prices, and the cost of ownership quickly climbs. Consumer reliability ratings have consistently ranked the Ram 1500 below average, which is a serious warning sign for anyone planning to buy in 2025. The bottom line, the Ram 1500 may tempt you with comfort and style, but hidden maintenance issues and high repair costs make it a risky choice. If you want a truck that's dependable in the long run, it's smarter to look elsewhere. Number 4. Toyota Tundra. For years, the Tundra was seen as a rock-solid, dependable truck, but the redesigned version has been causing serious headaches for many owners. One of the biggest issues is with the new twin-turbo V6 engine. On paper, it delivers power and efficiency. In real life, reports of turbocharger failures, engine lag, and rough performance have been common. Some owners have even faced complete engine breakdowns within the first few years. The 10-speed automatic transmission also isn't trouble-free. Drivers report harsh shifting, hesitation, and unexpected jerks during acceleration. Add in electronics glitches with the infotainment system and driver assist features, and the new Tundra feels less reliable than its legendary past models. And let's not forget cost. Repairs for these modern turbo engines and transmissions don't come cheap. When something goes wrong, the bill can be a shocker. At the end of the day, the Toyota Tundra name might still sound trustworthy, but the 2025 version has too many problems to ignore. If you're buying a truck for long-term peace of mind, you're better off skipping the Tundra and going with a proven alternative. Number 5. Chevrolet Silverado EV. The Silverado EV has been hyped as Chevy's answer to electric pickup demand. On paper, it looks impressive. Powerful electric motors, long range, and cutting-edge technology. But early reports and owner feedback are raising serious concerns. One of the biggest issues is charging. Public charging infrastructure in the US is still limited, and the Silverado EV's massive battery takes time to recharge. For people who rely on their trucks for long drives, towing, or work, this is a major headache. Then there's reliability. First-generation EVs often come with problems, and the Silverado EV is no exception. Owners have reported software glitches, battery management issues, and even sudden loss of power while driving. Repairs for EV batteries and systems are not only complex but extremely expensive. Towing is another weak point. While the Silverado EV can tow heavy loads, the range drops dramatically when pulling a trailer, making it impractical for many truck buyers. The bottom line, the Silverado EV may sound futuristic, but in 2025 it's not a reliable choice for most drivers. Until Chevy works out the bugs, it's better to avoid this truck and stick with proven options. Number 6. Chevrolet Colorado. The Chevrolet Colorado has always been popular for buyers who want a smaller truck that still feels capable. The latest redesign gave it a fresh look, modern tech, and new engine options. But beneath the upgrades, reliability remains a big concern. Owners have reported frequent issues with the new turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Complaints include rough idling, sudden stalling, and excessive oil consumption. Transmission problems also show up early, with reports of jerky shifting and hesitation. Interior electronics add to the headache. The updated infotainment system often freezes, lags, or completely crashes, which is frustrating in a brand new truck. And while the Colorado is marketed as off-road ready, its build quality doesn't always match the promise. Suspension issues and premature wear on components are common. Maintenance costs can climb quickly, and resale value is weaker compared to rivals like Toyota Tacoma. That means you might spend more over time while getting less in return. The bottom line, the 2025 Chevy Colorado might look stylish and capable, but recurring engine, transmission, and tech issues make it a risky buy. If you want a mid-size truck that truly lasts, the Colorado isn't your best bet. Number 7. GMC Canyon. The GMC Canyon is often marketed as the more upscale cousin of the Chevy Colorado. It offers bold styling, nice interiors, and plenty of features. But just like the Colorado, reliability is where it struggles. The new turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is at the center of complaints. Drivers report rough acceleration, engine stalling, and long-term durability concerns. Transmission issues, including jerky gear shifts and hesitation, are also common. Electronics inside the Canyon create more frustration. The infotainment system can be glitchy, freezing, or rebooting unexpectedly. Advanced driver assist features have also been reported as unreliable, which is concerning for safety. Another drawback is cost. Since the Canyon is positioned as a premium truck, buyers pay more upfront. But when reliability falls short, you're left with higher maintenance costs and lower resale value compared to rivals like the Toyota Tacoma or Honda Ridgeline. The bottom line, the 2025 GMC Canyon may look sharp and promise luxury in a mid-size package, but its reliability issues and high repair risks make it a truck to avoid. For peace of mind, stick with a more dependable competitor. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you avoid unreliable trucks in 2025. If you found it useful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Tell us in the comments which truck would you avoid.